What's up, guys? I didn't see you over there. So I thought I'd actually come through and just give you a quick announcement just to tell you exactly what's going on. So firstly, Hollyland was kind enough to send me an amazing device. I will be obviously using it going forward, and I'm going to obviously include it into my workflow. And that device is the Hollyland VenusLiv Air. If you don't know what this is a live streaming camera that is created for content creators and live streamers in mind. It streams directly to platform and it shoots at 4K 30 frames per second, and it does it 24/7. Yes, guys. So the heat sinks that are on this camera is capable of allowing this camera to obviously record to SD card or stream directly to platform 24/7. Yes, you heard me right. That's 24 hours, 7 days a week. This thing can record non-stop. So obviously until it runs out of battery, or obviously you can stream for as long as it allows it. But that's one of the announcements. So I'm gonna be moving over to this system. I have already started testing it. I wanted to do a live stream this past week. I've had a busy week. However, I'm going to set up a live stream in the week to come. And then thereafter, obviously, it's going to be a regular occurrence where I will be going and doing live streams as often as possible. So guys, if you can, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know exactly what topic you want me to discuss. Let me know what you'd like for me to speak about. If there's any issues that you are having with photography, videography, filmmaking, or even if it's just your photography business, that you would like to ask me a question that you'd maybe want me to have it answered, I can definitely set that up for you, and I can obviously address it in the live. So that'll be so much easier for me to do. But guys, thank you so much for following. Thank you so much for obviously checking up on this video as well. The VenusLiv Air is here, guys, and I can't wait to start using it. I have already started testing it out, and from what I can see, it's absolutely amazing. So built-in AI features, skin smoothing features, it does it all. And as I said, direct to platform. So you can set up your app on here and obviously stream directly to platform. It's something that's really, really cool. So yeah, I am looking forward to it. It is a fixed lens. I think it gives you something like a 24mm field of view, but I have yet to test that and give you the exact specs. So stay tuned, and I will definitely tell you about that. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you soon when I go live.